Looks like you voted yourself a raise. Who did this affect?
Hillary Clinton.
It was Hillary Clinton.
It was Hillary Clinton. Thank you. Hillary Clinton. But they still have control of the board. They got control of the board. Anything else your group wants to say?
She was a senator. She went to be Secretary of State.
Right.
And
how did they get around it?
They voted to decrease the pay.
They did. They voted to decrease the pay of Secretary of State, so technically she still got a raise, but she didn't get the raise that she voted for that office. Go ahead, click it. Pick me a category, Colette's group. We're good. Go ahead. Which one? Courts for one. Nice. No pressure, just because we're all looking and filming. Original and appellate jurisdiction. Go ahead, Kate.
This is when the appellant is when the Supreme Court has cases that are appealed.
Three. Anybody in the group? Two.
After they have been, after a decision has been made
by a lower court. Okay.
And original is.
Well, so what happens after the decision's been made by the lower court? What does the Supreme Court do?
The Supreme, if there is an appeal, the Supreme Court can revisit the case and make another decision if it's.
So they're going to revisit a case that's already been decided at the lower court level. Yeah, it is. And original is.
It's when this is not usually. It doesn't really happen. But if government officials has like if there's a problem or there's a lawsuit or anything against them, it goes directly to the Supreme Court.
Y'all buying that? No. -1. Who was next? Beatrice. Next hand? Any idea who the next hand was? Go ahead, Nikita, go.
Okay.
What is original and appellate? Explain it to me well.
Original jurisdiction is basically like if a diplomat was to get in trouble,
okay,
they go straight to the Supreme Court. They don't go through all the other chain of courts. Appellate court is...
Okay, original jurisdiction means that the Supreme Court is going to be the first and the only court that will hear a given case. Yeah. You're right. And when you look at these, and that's Claudia's group back there, when you look at these, an example of a diplomat, a public minister, or a consul would be a good example of this. If it is state versus state, that would be another one. Tell me more.
Every military appeals goes straight to the Supreme Court.
Okay. I don't want to test you on that, so I won't give you points. Go ahead.
Appellate jurisdiction is, for example, like if there's a lower court decision, the Supreme Court goes back and they check on the fairness of the trial and see if...
So are they questioning witnesses?
No, they cannot. Well, they can, but...
They can?
They can...
-1.
No, wait, let me explain. They can order a lower court to go back and...
Oh, okay, I'll take that. They can do this. Basically, you're looking at the fairness of things, and you're looking at the process, not on the evidence, not on the witnesses, not on these kinds of things, but it's about the process within which these were brought in. Anything else? 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, Olaf. Be careful.
Isn't appellate like usually having to do with money?
-1. -1. Kevin's group, -1. You gave me the last correct answer. Pick me a category, Nikita's group. Go ahead, hit it. Beatrice. Gotta go.
I can't see. Let's do Congress 3 points.
Congress for 3. Bill of Attainder, ex post facto, first hand I see. Go ahead, Colette.
Ex post facto is a law to retroactively affect someone.
You cannot, in an ex post facto law, make a retroactive law. That is unconstitutional from Article 1, Section 9. What's a Bill of Attainder?
It's a legislative act that singles out an individual or group for punishment without trial. Since it's legislative.
Yeah, the legislature declares you guilty, or for that matter, they could conceivably declare you innocent as well. Either way, you don't get a voice in the proceedings, and there's a sense that that could be corrupt. Hit it, Beatrice. And there you go. All right, pick me a next category, Colette's group. Go. Articles for 2. List all you can. Your group's got it, then the first hand I see. The X factor. What is the X factor? You've got it next. 4. 3. Actually, not yet. 2.
That's the ex-wives of political people.
Yeah. 2, 1. Go ahead, Carl.
It's the ability of a vice president to be popular in the next election for president.
Was that on for 2?
No, I mean, no, the X factor being
-2. What's the X factor? First hand I see. After the groups that have already gotten it wrong.
It's about.
Not you. You've already gotten it wrong. All right, I'll give you a hint. First hand I see from the groups that have not yet answered. Jerry Ryan.
His ex-wife.
Jack Ryan.
Oh my God.
Go ahead, Isham.
Well, it's like your wife, like if you're running for the Senate or something, like
Yes.
they can ruin your reputation, ruin your.
What happened with Jack Ryan and Jerry Ryan? Who was Jack Ryan?
Jack Ryan was running against Obama for the Illinois Senate seat.
1, 2. Jack Ryan was running against Obama for the Illinois Senate seat. And what embarrassing revelations came out?
Well, he wanted to have sex with his wife in public.
He wanted to have sex with his wife in public. Anything else?
And she said no.
Well, there was something else he asked her. Anybody in the group? 4, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, Alexia. What else did he ask her? 4. What did he ask her? He said, I want to have sex in public, baby, and I want something else. 3, 2, 1. -2. Last place. Go, Olaf. He wanted other people to watch. He wanted to go where? He wanted to go to a strip club. Baby, let's go to the strip club. Let's have sex in public. And Abraham, what did she say back?
She said,
Or what did she do?
She cried.
She cried! Absolutely! Kevin's group, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah! And what did he say? Tears are a turn off, baby! Yeah. 1, 2. What happened? And you guys have this. What happened in the election? Go ahead.
He lost.
He resigned. He pulled out. Yeah, he did. He actually stepped out of the election. And when he stepped out of the election, who won? This is all on film. This is really terrible. Yeah, it was. It was Obama. Obama, you can argue. Stop. Obama, you could argue, actually got his office because of a sex scandal. All right, go ahead. Hit it, Beatrice. Kevin's group, 17. Yuri's group, -2. Hisham's group, 10. Claudia's group, 10. Colette's group, 16. This is really close. Y'all got control. Pick me a category. Gotta go. President for 3. Pictionary. I need somebody to draw. President for 3. I need somebody to draw from this mammoth group over here. Would you turn on the light? Is the switch over there? Here you go. Kevin, the rules on this